Hi everybody, thanks for tuning back into Crypto Mainly. My name's Lee. I'm just going to give you a very quick update. Please do like and subscribe and switch on the bell for notifications, guys. I will be putting up sort of shorts videos and also sort of quick updates and live streams in time. So the channel is very new at the moment, so just give me some time, guys, and I'll get that all organised. But please do like and subscribe and switch on the bell for notifications. You can follow me over on Twitter. So my handle there is @CryptoMainly. And my NFTs are available over on OpenSea and on Rarible. So please take a look at those. Just jumping straight into the content, guys, today. So this was the trade that we put out yesterday. In hindsight, I should have perhaps been looking at this area of interest as being where we should be taking profits on this trade. As you can see, we got the rejection from there. The only thing I'd say, guys, is that when we saw that the dump down in price, there was no level of support here at all. Just cut straight through. So I was quite surprised to see that we stopped. We stopped here, and as you can see, prices coming back down. I just wanted to show you guys just a video that I posted into. At the moment, guys, my NFTs. If you purchase one, it entitles you to 6 months free access to my NFT VIP Telegram channel. I just want to show you a quick clip of the type of quick snippet videos that you'll see if you purchase the NFT and join the VIP channel. Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update on this trade setup from yesterday. In hindsight, guys, what I should have been looking for actually is perhaps to be taking profits in this area here. So we've got this area of interest here. So perhaps it should have been I should have been watching to take profits in that sort of area. Where you can see you've got an area of sort of which was going to act as resistance there, and not quite make it to the top of the support range there. The only thing is, what I'd say is that yesterday, when we saw the plummet in price, there was no support found there. Hence the reason I didn't think that we would get a rejection from there. So I did actually move my stop up, and I did put it in the group, a message just to say that I've moved my stop to 30,200. So I have been stopped out in some profits, but as you can see, we're back to a break even now, and it is looking like this trade could possibly come down and hit the stop. So just as a thought, guys, you might want to consider coming out of the trade at break even, and we'll just observe what happens from there. So thanks very much for listening, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. As you can, I mean, I won't always be able to sort of, pinpoint exactly the calls and get the videos up in time, but my intention certainly is to keep the people in the VIP Telegram channel, sort of well informed on trade positions that we have open. So that's my intention, and look forward to some of you purchasing the NFT, and then obviously, if you do purchase an NFT, or if you already have purchased an NFT, please do reach out to me and contact me. So that I know who you are and when you've purchased one, and that way I can then add you to the VIP list, and we can get you included in that. If you bought the NFT today, within a couple of hours of you buying it, if you contact me, I'll have you added to the VIP Telegram group, within a couple of hours. So yeah, please look into that, guys. Consider that, and hopefully I'll see you in there. Just looking at this, guys, it is looking like we're rejecting now. There is still a chance that as long as we don't break the, there's a couple of options here, basically, guys. What we could see is the CME gap hasn't been closed yet, so we may see, so we may see something like this where we get a little bounce and then we come down a wick low to the CME gap. But I think if we get down this far, into this area of interest, we close the CME gap. I do think that the continuation is going to come back to the upside. So I will be looking for a long entry somewhere in this region. I will, it's very early to say yet, so please don't jump in to any trades as yet. But what I'll be looking for is in this area. If we get some support here, I'll be looking for an entry. If not, and we come down into the lower realms, then that we are kind of in dangerous territory then. So if we get down into this region, I may switch my bias to be hunting shorts rather than the long position. But I think my view on things is that we are going to, once the CME gaps below is filled, there is a CME gap above us at around sort of the top end of it is around 36,000. So once we've got this lower CME gap out the way and frightened everybody half to death, frightened, the rest of them, most of the market and the bulls out of their positions, then I think there will be a turnaround, and we'll see price continue to the upside. I think what this is going to create here is in this zone is going to be another bear trap, where people are starting to really sort of lose hope and expect the price to come down to those low 21 to 23,000. And as I've said on my video time and time again, guys, I don't think that's going to happen yet. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down, close the CME gap, we do a little bit of consolidation around this area in this zone. Everybody starts to go short, and then we actually see the takeoff, and it will trap all the short positions. It will take out all the liquidity from the short positions, and then obviously head up to the closing of the 36,000 CME gap. That's what I think is going to happen, guys. You will notice, just want to point this out to you, actually, it seems as though the USDT chart is what's controlling the market at the moment. We're getting an inverse effect, whatever happens, on Bitcoin price. So, for example, it's coming down now here, and you'll see that that's because we've got this, this bounce from support here. But you'll also see that we're coming up against, this thicker blue dotted line is considerable resistance, which goes back a long time, which I'll zoom out and show you in a second. But it's coming up against these two resistance areas here, and I expect to see this looks, this actually looks like a bull flag and looks very bullish. But what I'm hoping to see is that we get another rejection, come back down, and then we can obviously we'll get some nice positive action, which I think that will translate to this move from the CME gap up to the top. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, again, guys, don't be fooled by this. It's creeping up. It's looking like the altcoins are going to get a bit more of a hammering, but there is some bearish divergence as these highs are being created. It's creating a more powerful bearish divergence on the RSI. So I do think that we will see this start to come down. Probably when the Bitcoin price is coming up, we'll also see this start to come back down. So that's what I think is going to happen short term, guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick video today. Please don't forget, like and subscribe, guys. Don't miss out. I look forward to to helping you guys navigate the crypto world and sharing my experience with you. The VIP Telegram, I do hope to teach some people. There are already a collection of people in there that are already good, experienced, decent traders. But what I'd like to do is try and share my experience with people and try and help people along and teach them a few things and perhaps give them a little bit of an edge in their own trading strategies. So hopefully I'll see you in there, guys. And thanks ever so much for listening. Do like and subscribe, guys. I'm going to keep saying that and saying that and saying that because I'm going to keep being told by everybody that's what I need to do to get my subscribers up. So please get frustrated with me. Smash up the like, smash up the dislike, put some damning comments in the comments. Hate me in the comments if you like, but just please like and subscribe, and I look forward to providing you with some content. Thanks, guys. Take care. All the best.